India. Now next we have got Usha from BBA first year, followed by Roshan Arya. Be there.
A nation's greatness is measured by how it treats its weakest member. This beautiful line said by Mahatma Gandhi. This emphasizes the importance of inclusive growth in India's rise. A very warm and energetic morning to one and all present here. Can India be the next superpower nation? How is it possible? Let's find out. Yes, India can be the next superpower nation because based on a research, a superpower nation can be identified by the four pillars of power, which is economic, political, cultural and military. Let's talk about the economical factor, which is India has one of the fastest major economic growth with a young and large population. The potential for sustained growth economic is significant. IMF, the International Monetary Fund and WP World Bank have projected strong growth rate for India in the coming years. Technology and innovation field, India has a burgeoning tech sector with Bangalore often referred to as the Silicon Valley city of India. Military factor, which is India has one of the largest standing armies in the world and continuous improving its military. Let's talk about the other factor, which is political factor. India is world's largest democratic country which provides it with a stable political system. Democratic political system can enhance the image of India. The cultural factor, which is the important characteristics of Indian culture are civilized communications, values, belief and etiquette. India actively promotes its culture and heritage through cultural exchange, educational programs and international festivals, which is enhancing India's cultural footprint. So what I think is that India has the potential to become the next superpower nation. Thank you.
Very good, Usha.
Thank you.
So, Usha,
Yes, sir.
your topic is challenges in front of present youth. Challenges in front of the youth.
So what I think is that challenges in front of this youth is there are so many kind of challenges in front of this young youth about job security, basic needs and very much things like the youth have to know that what they have to do in future, what they have to do, what's their goal, what they want to do, but they are it's very sad that our youth doesn't know about this. It's our responsibility to know that what we have to do, what we are learning. So India's youth has so many potential. We can do anything if our mindset is focused. So I think this is these are the challenges, like we have to focus on our goals. We have the potential that we can achieve our goals. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Usha.